Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about the controversy on AI, generated art, pretty much. So, as you may know, AI has the ability to create and modify art in ways that were previously unimaginable. And this has led to some heated debates about its role in the art world. Some people believe that AI is a valuable tool that can be used to augment the work of human artists, while others worry that it threatens to replace human artists and undermine their creativity and skill, and obviously the copyright issue. That's one of the biggest ones. So to understand this controversy, it's important to first understand how AI is being used in the art world. There are several ways in which AI is being used to create or modify art. So the first one is like AI generated art. This refers to artwork that is created entirely by an AI system without any human input or intervention. Some AI generated art is based just plainly on algorithms that are designed to mimic certain artistic styles or techniques, while other AI generated art is more experimental and seeks to create entirely new and unique works. The second one, AI assisted art. This refers to artwork that is created with the help of an AI system but which still involves significant human input and creative decision making. For example, an artist might use an AI system to generate ideas or suggestions for a piece of art, but they use their own skills and creativity to turn those ideas into a finished work. One of the examples here is with Midjourney. With Midjourney, you can just go create a sketch of this and this and this, as long as you have the idea in your mind, and you create an input and the AI will create a piece of work for you that you can just based on and generate your art. The third one is AI modified art. This refers to artwork that is created by a human artist, which is then modified or enhanced by an AI system. For example, an artist that might use AI to add color to a black and white drawing or to generate additional elements or details for a piece of art. Now that we have covered some of the ways in which AI is being used in the art world, let's turn to the controversy surrounding its use. One of the main concerns that some people have about AI generated art is the lack of uniqueness and personal touch that human artists bring to their work. They argue that AI generated art is simply the result of following a set of rules or algorithms and therefore cannot be considered truly creative. I don't know, just hit the comments and let me know what you think about this part. On the other hand, others argue that AI generated art represents a new form of creativity that should be celebrated and encouraged. They point out that AI systems are capable of processing vast amounts of data and generating new and innovative ideas that would be impossible for a human artist to accomplish or to come up with on their own. In this view, AI is not a replacement for human artists, but rather a tool that can be used to augment their work and keep them create new exciting things. Another concern that also people have about AI is that it threatens to replace human artists. There are certainly instances where AI systems have been used to automate certain tasks or to generate artwork more quickly and efficiently than a human artist could do. However, it is important to know that AI systems are still limited in what they can do, and they are unlikely to be able to fully replace creativity and skills of human artists in the near future. So what all this means for human artists? Can we adapt and thrive in the face of these new technologies? One of the things that is important to keep in mind when discussing the use of AI in the art world is that historical context. Through human history, new technologies have often met with resistance and skepticism, and it only over time that their impact has become clearly and more widely understood. For example, when the photography was first invented, many artists and critics dismissed it as mere novelty and not serious art form. But as the technology evolved and matured, it became clear that photography was a powerful and new medium for artistic expression, and has since become an integral part of the art world. So what does all this mean for human artists? How can we adapt and thrive in the face of these new technologies? First and foremost, it's important for artists to stay up to date with developments in AI and how it's being used in the art world. This may involve learning about AI techniques and how to incorporate them in their work, or may involve exploring new ways of using AI as a medium for creating art. By staying informed and engaged with these developments, artists can be better prepared to adapt to changing landscapes of the art world. Another important thing for artists to consider is the importance of protecting their rights. Now with this technology, we have to make sure about this part. There have been instances where AI-powered apps or websites have been used to create unauthorized copies of existing artwork, and that's something that I just totally disagree with these companies using these apps and these algorithms to randomly steal from other artists. Sometimes they leave the watermarks in kind of like a blurry situation, so it's super sketchy. And for sure, this is a concern for us as an artist that rely exclusively of rights granted granted to us under our copyright law to control and to use and to sell our work. So to protect our rights, we need to take steps such as registering our work and make sure that we put watermarks or other means to identify our own work. Always being vigilant, monitoring social media for unauthorized use. It is also important to be aware of our rights and to be prepared to take action when those apps are stealing or using our art without any permission. Another way that artists can adapt to the rise of AI is by focusing on unique and personal qualities that they can bring to their work. While AI systems may be able to automate certain tasks or generate art more efficiently, they are still limited in their ability to replicate the human touch and creativity that are integral part of many works of art. Is when you put your soul and your heart to these works, that cannot be replaced. That feeling, that emotion that you printed to your art, that cannot be replaced by AI. But by emphasizing these unique qualities, as an artist, we can differentiate ourselves from AI systems and demonstrate the value that we bring to the table. Finally, artists can also consider exploring new ways of using AI as a medium for creating art. While AI systems are often used to automate certain tasks or generate ideas, they can also be used as a creative tool in their own right. By exploring the creative potential of an AI and experimenting with different ways of using it, artists can discover new and innovative ways of creating art and may not have been possible without this technology. In conclusion, the controversy surrounding the use of AI in the art world is an ongoing and complex issue that is likely to continue evolving as technology advances. While there are valid concerns about the impact of AI on human artists, it is also important to recognize the potential benefits and opportunities that it presents. By staying informed, protecting our rights, emphasizing our unique quality, exploring new creative possibilities, artists can adapt the changing landscape in the art world right now. So my piece of advice is that AI is not going away. It is here to stay with us. So we have to take advantage of this new technology. We have to adapt and use this technology to our own benefit. This is the only way that we can survive as an artist in this new boom of AI generated art. If you think this video brought you some value, please comment, like, subscribe. It will help our channel a lot. Take care guys and have an amazing weekend, and see you next time.